Hello guys, this is Shubham Agrawal, and today in this video we will discuss how to scrape websites and fill out your info using GSA website contact. Before going, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want, please like, subscribe and comment on this video. I've been noticing that you have been watching my videos but not subscribing, so please subscribe on my channel. Thank you. Okay, first of all, load up your GSA website contact. Okay, now click on new. Whatever project name you can give it, you want, just give it. Let me type it. Say I am trying to promote my email marketing services. Okay, so I'm trying email marketing or whatever, maybe let me try website designing. Okay, just this is the name of the project. Okay, now this is the keyword this software will search. Okay, now let me just add a few more keywords, enter. Okay, I will tell you another ways also, but for the purpose of this video, let me keep it simple. Okay, let me write website designing in New York. This is very broad keyword still. Okay, maybe cheap website designing. Okay, some of these phrases. Okay, now let me click OK. Once I click OK, where was that website designing? Just selected. This is selected. Okay, website designing, as you can see. Now click on start and click on scrape for new websites. Okay, now the software will start scraping for new websites. Okay, currently I have not loaded any proxies beforehand for the purpose of this video, so this is running without any proxies or anything. It may take some time for it to load up. After a while it will start running. Okay, see, it has already collected 21 websites. It's going through the net and collecting websites as we speak. Now I'm gonna stop this video for a while and let it collect a few websites, and then we can proceed. Okay, it has collected already 340, 300, I don't know how many. Let me just wait and okay, and I resume the video. Okay, as you can see, it has collected somewhere around, I don't know, 1900 plus contact forms, websites. Now let me click stop here. Okay, I clicked stop here. Now what? Now just right click here, select this. Okay, not any other campaign that you are running, just right click here and click on project settings. Okay, this will open up. Now this is very important. Now click on submission content. Okay, this is where we are. Now your first name, you can choose any first name. Okay, if you want to type, you can type anything else, like it can pick up any first name, or you do it self-defined. Click OK. This will pop up. Let me just type my made up name, Sean Adams, or whatever you want. Click OK. Okay, this is just first name, so just let me double click it, remove Adams, click OK. For the last name, you can choose any last name also. Let me keep it random for the moment. Now this is phone number. You need to, if you want, you can use a phone number, but I recommend using a burner phone number, because if you use a real phone number, it will start ringing up and you will get this you'll feel sad about it. Okay, now just going down, there's a column for email. Okay, here it is. Right now it's going random email. You can click self-defined. Okay, just let me right click it. This is random email. Let me do the self-defined. Okay, but please use a burner disposable secondary email address, because otherwise your main inbox will blow up. Okay, so I'm using self-defined. This is one of my made up email, so I'm using right now for the purpose of this video. Additionally, you need to type a message. Okay, so this is the message. Double click it. Now what is the message you want? This is like website designing, right? Hi, I noticed something wrong about your website. Okay, please give me a call at this number. Okay, we will discuss about the number later on. Okay, now message also we can type something like uh, is your website still working, or anything, something that piques interest. Okay, then you put a question mark. Okay, now I recommend using a burner phone number, because otherwise your email addresses will blow up really fast. This is one of my disposable email addresses. I've deleted a lot of email addresses recently, but still it fills up really fast. Okay, now let me head over here. You can get a burner phone number from Skype. Skype provides a burner phone number. Let me just show it to you. This is my dummy, okay, Skype account for the purpose of this video. Let me click on settings, and this is Skype. Now get a second Skype number. Okay, click on get. Now this will open up. You can get it around, this is cheap, I don't know, like $5 a month, something like that, of United States. Okay, I am getting it, like this is the number. Continue. I am getting it around, I don't know, $4 or $5, I guess. Yeah, $480, something like $6 a month, which is relatively cheap. Now what you need to do, once I pay for this, currently I'm not paying for this. Okay, now let me head over to the message. Call me at this number. When you type your number, burner number, you get way more qualified leads. Okay, and please note, most of the time, like the people you send, okay, around 20 to 40% of the people will be the people who are not interested in your offer. Okay, so avoid them, because you are not focused on them, because they don't matter. Okay, only focus on the people who reply and who are concerned. Okay, so this is how you need to go. You need to keep an open mind, because some people may otherwise get frustrated because you're contacting them, and some people may not be related to website designing or whatever you're trying to sell them. Okay, so you need to keep an open mind, essentially. Now once you have typed your number, you've typed your email and whatnot, just click OK. I have the email is self-defined. I have given my name, the message is given, subject is given. Okay, now all you need to do is click start and click send message plus check. This is the message which will go out. Click yes, continue. Okay, now this is started. Now after a while it will start sending. Currently I am not connected. There is another captcha breaker also. I need to connect the captcha breaker, which I will tell you in next upcoming videos. But as of now, it has sent 15-16 messages to the people. Okay, this will keep running, and you can sit back and relax, and it will send emails. Okay, and your email, since you have defined your email, you experience people giving you messages or autoresponder messages in this emails also. Now you need to go through these emails and check which of these emails are from interested clients. Okay, this is very important. So the bigger the list, the better. Okay, there are people who are selling like 2 million email lists, 10 million email lists. I'll tell you how to get those email lists also. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment on this video. This is again Shubham Agrawal. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.